We've all seen it in sci-fi, ships jumping to warp speed or hyperspace. But in our real universe, there is a hard limit, a speed trap enforced by the laws of physics themselves. The speed of light, roughly 300,000 kilometers per second, is the ultimate speed limit. But why? Is it just because our engines aren't strong enough? Or is there a deeper, more broken reason? Today, we look at the real reason nothing can travel faster than light. The first person to give us a clue was Albert Einstein, with his famous equation E equals mc squared. This equation tells us that energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. As you push an object to go faster, you are adding kinetic energy to it. At everyday speeds, this just makes the object move faster. But as you approach the speed of light, that energy starts behaving strangely. Instead of just increasing velocity, the energy begins contributing to the object's relativistic mass. Effectively, the object becomes heavier to move. To reach the speed of light, an object with mass would become infinitely heavy. To move an infinitely heavy object, you would need infinite energy. Since there isn't infinite energy in the entire universe, you can never quite reach the finish line. So, how does light do it? Simple. Photons have zero rest mass. Because they aren't carrying anything, they are required by physics to travel at the maximum speed possible the moment they are created. In fact, speed of light is actually a bit of a misnomer. Scientists call it c, the speed of causality. Here is the real mind-bending reason. We don't just travel through space, we travel through spacetime. Think of it this way. Everything in the universe is always traveling at the same constant speed through spacetime. You, me, and the cup of coffee on your desk are all moving at the speed of light right now. It's just that most of our speed is used up moving through time. Imagine a car driving at a constant 60 miles per hour. If you drive due north, all your speed is in the north direction. If you turn slightly east, you are still going 60 miles per hour, but you're moving north a little more slowly. Spacetime works the same way. If you are sitting still, you are moving through time at the maximum speed. If you start moving through space, you have to borrow some of that speed from time. This is why time slows down the faster you move, a phenomenon called time dilation. If you were to go faster than light, you wouldn't just be moving fast, you would be turning so far into the space direction that you would actually start moving backward in time. This creates a causality violation. If you could travel faster than light, you could theoretically send a message to yourself yesterday, telling you not to go on the trip in the first place. If you didn't go, you wouldn't send the message. This creates a paradox that the universe cannot allow. The speed of light is the speed at which cause leads to effect. If light were any faster or slower, the very logical structure of the universe would fall apart. So, the reason you can't break the speed limit isn't because we lack the technology. It's because the speed of light is actually the speed of reality. It is the maximum speed at which information can happen. Without this limit, the past and the future would be a tangled mess. We are restricted to C, not to keep us from the stars, but to keep the story of the universe making sense. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, hit subscribe. Stay curious.